Y'all, welcome to the JREKML channel, Hearts2Hearts. It's been a minute since I checked Hearts2Hearts. They're SM's new girl group at the moment. I don't know if there's another one, then yeah. Correct me in the comments down below. But I heard that a lot of people told me that I would enjoy this, so I'm curious. And I do like Hearts2Hearts. I think it's been a while since I checked them out, unless it's been a while since they came back. Sorry, I just drank caffeine and I'm hella hyped. And my hair is overly too long for my face. Definitely in need of a haircut for sure. Without further ado, be sure to check out my Patreon if you haven't already. I've been checking out ISAC on Patreon. Go check it out. Go subscribe. Shot. Let me see it. Whoa! Been checking a bunch of dope stuff over there. So go check out the Patreon if you haven't already. And without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Bow. Is it like a school? Oh, it is a school. Whoa. Oh. What? I cannot focus on anything but you, baby. Ooh. Okay. I cannot focus on anything on anyone but you. Oh, I like the aesthetics. And I think the kids in the back, or the dancers in the back, go to it too as well. Go with the beat. Ooh. Oh, what the? Oh. What's it? Hairless cat? Ooh, I like that. Right? Nice rack focus. Where you zoom into another one. Ooh. Ooh. You. Like you. Oh shit. I'm gonna add this to the playlist. Damn! Oh. That was fire. This song got me feeling rich. Yeah. Focus on anything but you, baby. Oh my god. Got me wanting me to do like a whole fashion show. Woo! Okay, whacking. I see a little whacking. Ooh, I love the aesthetic of this music video too. Ooh. You're all I see in. How can I focus? Ooh, the editing. Ooh. Oh, nice play with the mirrors. Ooh, oh, what a nice transition. This is so different from the rest. It's so colorful. The fireworks too, and the flowers. Nature. Wow, that was fire. Sorry if I look like a mess, but oh, cute. Focus. Great. That was great. That was enjoyable. Oh my god. Definitely gonna be added to the playlist. Holy crap. All right, y'all. Put a comment down below what you guys think of this song, music video, and Hearts2Hearts. Are you a Hearts2Hearts fan? I don't know them individually yet. I just know for more of their music, so I'm more of a casual listener. But this is fire. This is really good. I mean, their debut is really good too. But damn. Yeah, put a comment down below. Let me know what your opinions on Hearts2Hearts and this music video. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it, it might just come true. I need a haircut. I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, y'all. Be sure to check out the Patreon. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.